What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I need you guys to get ready and prepare now for the non-farm payroll report that comes out tomorrow. Okay, listen, guys, it's going to either make the market move in an upward direction or a down direction. Simple as that, guys. But listen, it's a chance for us to capitalize off of the movement, meaning we don't guess, we don't gamble, we react. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, bringing out the charts right out the gate. I want to keep it clean and just show you what's going on with the SPY, guys. This is the 1 day chart right here. Okay, this is a daily chart that I want you guys to take a look at. But look at what we have forming on this chart. Let me know, do you see it at first glance? Okay, now I'm going to pull up this chart. Okay, look at what we have here, guys. All right, we've been in a chop zone for the last month. Okay, and with that being said, tomorrow could be the catalyst that may break us down. All right, however, we don't want to play a move based off of news. We don't want to front run anything. And so therefore, guys, even though the obvious move would be for the market to crash on tomorrow, guys, the market can do anything. And so this is why I'm showing you guys this on today. I do not want you to front run this if you are not already in it. Okay, however, I want you to react to what you see. So with that being said, guys, you have to know and understand that the market will definitely be in a mode of ready to make out from this move right here. Okay, however, you need to understand that whether we move to the upside or downside, there's opportunity in it for you if you are ready to take advantage of it. With that being said, guys, on a more granular level, SPY, ticker symbol SPY, was sitting at 380.26 at the time of this recording. It was down 1.15% on a day, roughly $4.40. Okay, it's up a little bit in after hours, but nothing we're going to write home about. Do me a favor, guys, really quickly. Because we have this huge news catalyst that's coming out tomorrow, go through all your plays for me and make sure that you have your risk management on point. Okay, that means you have your stop losses set. That means you guys are ready to have limit orders trigger, whether it's going to buy some shares of a stock hitting certain price or sell some shares of a stock hitting certain price, just so you guys can make sure you're going about the game the right way. Also, guys, before I pull away from this one, tell me what you see. Okay, look at this chart on today. It looks relatively horrible. However, let me know, do you see the double tops within this? This is called a game within a game. Sometimes, guys, you're going to have a stock or ETF or index or what have you. You're going to have it move down, but in the move down, you will still have opportunities in this. And I want to make sure that even on a line chart, even though this is not the candle chart now, I want you to see where the opportunities did lie. And do me a favor, let me know if you made any moves or played any of these moves that you see here on this chart. Okay, I just wanted to put that on your radar, guys. Up next, I want you guys to check out this other play, two plays that's been doing this thing. The first one is Verizon, guys, ticker symbol VZ. Today it is sitting at 41.72 at the time of this recording, up another 1.36%. I'm trying to show you guys and start you off on the right track to show you what is winning and what is doing well right now in these market conditions. Okay, Verizon is another one of my top dividend plays, but it's not even about that. I'm looking at the performance of this, at least to kick off the year. All right, it's up again 1.36% today, and again showing a lot of strength. Something to just be mindful of. Okay, guys, you can learn to make income, you can learn to be invested in dividends, you can collect that money passively, but you can also benefit from capital appreciation in some of these plays if this is the year communications is going to do its thing. But check this one out, guys. Another one of my plays, Exxon, ticker symbol XOM, Exxon Mobil, guys, sitting at 109.20, and this one was up 2.24% today, or roughly $2.40. Okay, I've been eyeing this one because I'm trying to see if energy will have a repeat of last year. Okay, so this is one of my bigger positions. I've been in energy. I'm going to ride this up until the wheels fall off, okay? Because value does better than growth in these conditions, okay? So have you noticed Apple is down, Tesla is down, Amazon is down, Microsoft is down, okay? But look at what's actually winning. And that's what I'm going to make a video about in the future, making sure you guys are in the right type of plays for the environment we're in, okay? There was a season for high growth stocks, high risk stocks, okay? Stuff like DraftKings, ChargePoint, Palantir, SoFi. There's a season when that will do well, okay? Then there's a season where that's going to be out of favor and that these will do well. And you need to make sure that you are flexible and nimble enough on your investment journey that you're in the right stocks and winning on any given year, no matter what the year is doing, okay, by being in the right type of companies, all right? But Exxon is just one I wanted to put on your radar as well. It's continuing to do its thing despite energy being down a little bit. I saw Chevron was down yesterday, but Exxon was up. I saw WTI was down, but again, Exxon was up, okay? And so again, just putting these little nuggets on your radar, guys, things to be mindful of on your journey, okay? To close it out, guys, we bring it back out this one more time. Be on the lookout tomorrow for the non-farm payroll report. It will come out at 8:30, okay? This does nothing more than move the market, okay? The market is looking for a reason to either break out or break down, all right? And you see that we have a bear flag forming, and this could very well be the catalyst that bring it down. However, you have to be ready for the unexpected in the stock market and know that anything is possible, okay? Listen, guys, with that being said, man, I want to make sure that you guys are managing your risk, okay? First and foremost, this game is about capital preservation, okay? Managing your money, maintaining as much of your money as possible, okay? So we're not in the game to lose. If you are going to trade, do me a favor. Make sure you are taking high probability setups. Matter of fact, join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. We are giving out bangers each and every day, teaching each and every day, making sure that you guys getting what you need to navigate this market properly, okay? Join us down at the link below. With that being said, guys, understand news serves as catalyst to, again, makes the market go up and down. However, you don't want to base your trading plan off of that. You want to make sure, regardless of that, you have a sound plan in place. That's why I want to make sure you have your investments in order. You have your long-term stocks in order. You got your retirement accounts on point. You got your emergency fund on point. You got your HSA, your health savings account on point. Guys, it's deeper than just the here and now. Holistically, I want to make sure you guys are locked, loaded, and ready to go. With that being said, guys, we got a jam-packed day to close out the week, and it will kick off first thing in the morning. So you're going to be able to come right into the market, get in the Discord so you can hear my morning briefing on how we're going to tear the market up and make some money first thing on tomorrow, okay? With that being said, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.